Rational dosage presents 6 signs of a weak-minded person. Have you ever encountered someone who seems easily influenced by others, struggles to make decisions, and quickly changes their mind? Or do you find yourself confused or overwhelmed by life's challenges and constantly questioning your choices? If so, keep watching. In this video, I will discuss the signs of weak-mindedness so you can learn to identify and overcome them. And although it can sometimes be a bit challenging to recognize this trait in yourself or someone you know, here are some key signs to watch out for. Number 1. Giving in to pressure quickly. Someone who quickly gives in to pressure is not a thinker, they just seek an easy way out. They often lack self-confidence and strength of character to stand up for themselves and maintain their sense of self-esteem. Instead, they try to please others by saying or doing things they don't want to do. And since they are easily influenced by others, this makes them easy targets for manipulation, which can lead to a sense of helplessness and being exploited. Number 2. Obsessed with problems. While it's easy to get caught up in everyday worries and problems, obsessing over them is certainly not a sign of strength. A strong-minded person sees a problem and tries to solve it. A weak-minded person focuses on the problem and cannot see beyond it. They fixate so much on the problem that they can't think of anything else and lose sight of the big picture. Unfortunately, this narrow focus prevents them from thinking critically and objectively and often leads to making bad decisions. Number 3. Apologizing for everything. Apologies can be a great way to show that you are sorry for something you may have done wrong. But apologizing for everything is a sign of weakness because it indicates a lack of self-confidence. When someone apologizes for everything, it's because they feel insecure and uncertain, and lack the courage to stand up for themselves or their beliefs. Apologizing for things that don't require apologies can also be seen as an attempt to seek approval. This behavior can be detrimental to relationships, as others may not take their opinions seriously or respect them. Number 4. Finding it difficult to commit to a goal. Setting goals and achieving them requires willpower and determination to stay focused and committed to what you're trying to accomplish. But for some, this can be extremely difficult. When someone is constantly struggling to commit to a goal, it can be a sign that they have a weak approach. They tend to lack determination and may be afraid of the hard work that comes with achieving a goal. As a result, they often give up before even starting and settle for mediocrity. Number 5. Seeking external validation. Frequently, we all want to feel appreciated, valued, and respected by others. But when the need for external validation becomes a frequent occurrence, it can be a sign of weakness. When someone is overly concerned with the opinions of others and relies too much on external validation, it usually means that they are unable to make decisions for themselves or take responsibility for their own actions. This can hinder personal growth and make it difficult to take risks or step out of one's comfort zone. Number 6. Always playing the victim. Do you know that person who always seems to be complaining? The one who can't wait to tell you about their challenges, but never has solutions. They are always muttering about how they don't understand and how everything is so unfair. Those who tend to always see themselves as victims of their circumstances can quickly feel overwhelmed and unable to take the necessary steps to create a better outcome. This can cause a general feeling of helplessness and a sense of lack of power over life. This shows that they are more concerned with protecting their own ego than genuinely improving. Secondly, people who are always defending themselves often take things personally. They can't separate criticism from themselves and take everything subjectively, which can cause many unnecessary conflicts. Additionally, a weak-minded person is often closed to new ideas. They may resist change and not be willing to consider different perspectives. However, if you pay attention and observe behaviors, whether your own or others, you will likely be able to recognize signs of mental fragility. It is important to remember that everyone is capable of overcoming their weaknesses and, with the right approach, a weak-minded person can become someone strong-minded. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can continue producing content like this. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to check out our other videos too. Thank you for watching.